Hello and welcome to my week 3 voiceover slash recording for the week 3 work of the Games Dev 1 assignment. So as you can see from here, the extra 10% I did was a basic coin system. It's not too complex, it would just literally a few coins triggers a door, opens the door, you get through the door. Basic stuff, very easy to implement. I'd like to be able to use it in future projects. So as you can see here, this is my UI. If we get a bit of scrolling done. So as you can see here, this is just the basic map that I've got. A few coins, my player. These white parts are actually invisible walls that I added in. In-game, they won't be able to be seen. And then this is the door, as you will see. Let's see it working in-game. Oh no, actually, I'll get rid of these quickly, 'cause these should not be there as of now. Which is a quick thing I forgot to do just before this, because I was messing around with them. Sorry about that, we'll get back to it. So as you can see, the door cannot be walked through at all. Collect 1 coin, 2 coins, 3. Obviously we'll go and check it now quickly. 3 coins still closed. Pick up the 4th one. Door is open, as you can see. Invisible walls are obviously in place to block off walking off the stage. And that is my extra 10%. The animations I've added in my own crouch. So as you can see, when C is pressed, we crouch. I'll just show you inside of the player. It changes between 2 different thingies, 2 different colliders. So let's say we was to quickly just add in a basic square. We'll move it to about there. We'll get a new sorting layer. We'll match that up quickly with the players' colliders. That should work. So just to give you a rough example, tried walking. Oh no, it's a box collider, it'd help. Sorry, 2 seconds. Box collider 2D. Now if you try walking into it, obviously you're not going to be able to. You crouch, you can go under it. I'll be honest, the crouch took absolutely ages to get working. As you can see, there's 3 different attempts of scripts where it got to a point where I just had to start all over again. Absolute nightmare to get done. We'll start off with a player script. Starting from the top, as you can see, once I've finished it, I've gone through and I've organised away headers, and just added a bit more organisation to it. So you can see you've got your player movement settings all here. You've got your player movement debug information. This is for my coin management, so link the 2. The animations for the crouch. We've got all my player updates for the voids. No fixed updates anymore, because I actually got rid of them last night as they were not needed. Move the player, as you can see, this is just the same as it was in the last 2. Process the jump event. I actually fixed I'm pretty sure this was in week 2 as well, but I changed the is jumping to an is grounded. It just made it a lot less buggy in game and just run a lot better using the physics. As you can see here, this is the crouching. So when C is pressed, is crouching is the opposite of his crouching, and the animator, and it'll toggle between both the colliders. This is to flip the character, and obviously the is grounded. New physics is all here, and this is the coin code. As you can see, it is all on the player as such down here. As you can see in game, it'll tell you horizontal, which way you're facing. You've got all your crouch colliders, your rigid body animator set up, movement speed and jump power, and your jumpable ground is set to ground. The camera, the tracking camera, is all done in here. So you've got your tracking camera script, it's all in here, and then this is simply it. Fairly simple to do, wasn't really difficult at all to do, to mess around with. It works fine, it looks good in game, it moves very smooth. Next, what I will show you next is all of my, well, I can get them up, week 3 character. For every single one of these, I have gone through and sliced them all just to give me the opportunity to use them all as stated in the extra work. And in my coin management script, which we'll have a look at now, as you can see, it's just simply coin text, so in game it shows up with a colon and obviously shows the coin count, and if 4 coins are collected, destroy both the doors. It's really simple, it works really well. I am really happy with how all this turned out with all the work I put into it. Thank you for watching and see you next week.